Hello, beautiful people. Welcome to another journey into the world of natural beauty and wellness. Today, we're diving into the world of natural beauty and wellness with a very special ingredient, argan oil. This golden elixir has been a well-kept secret for centuries, and it's time we uncover its wonders. Often called liquid gold, this oil is more than just a trendy ingredient. It's a time-tested treasure with a rich history and incredible benefits for your skin, hair, and overall well-being. Imagine a single product that can moisturize, heal, and rejuvenate. Derived from the kernels of the argan tree, argan oil is a gift from the argan forests of Morocco. These trees are unique to this region and have been cultivated for generations. For centuries, Moroccan women have cherished this oil, incorporating it into their beauty rituals and culinary traditions. They have passed down the knowledge of its preparation and use through the generations, ensuring that this liquid gold remains a staple in their daily lives. Now, the world is catching on to its magic, and I'm here to tell you why. From high-end beauty products to everyday skincare routines, argan oil is making waves globally. Its versatility and effectiveness are unmatched. Get ready to unlock the secrets of argan oil and discover how it can transform your self-care routine from the inside out. Whether you're looking to enhance your skin's glow, strengthen your hair, or simply indulge in a luxurious self-care ritual, argan oil is your go-to solution. So, let's dive deeper into this golden treasure and explore its myriad benefits together. Imagine a tree so resilient that it thrives in the harsh, arid landscapes of Morocco, where the sun beats down relentlessly and the soil is parched and unforgiving. This tree, with its gnarled branches and deep roots, stands as a testament to nature's incredible adaptability and strength. Its roots dig deep into the earth, anchoring it firmly and preventing soil erosion, while its broad canopy provides much-needed shade in the scorching desert. This is the argan tree, a botanical wonder and the source of our beloved argan oil. The argan tree is not just any tree, it is a symbol of resilience, sustainability, and cultural heritage. Native to southwestern Morocco, this tree has been a vital part of the ecosystem and the local communities for centuries. The tree's presence in this region is more than just a source of oil. It represents a way of life, a connection to the land, and a deep-rooted tradition that has been passed down through generations. The Berber women of Morocco have long recognized the argan tree's value. For generations, they've hand-harvested the argan nuts, a labor-intensive process that requires patience and skill. These women, with their expert hands, gather the nuts from the ground, often working in the early morning hours to avoid the intense heat of the day. Once collected, the nuts are painstakingly cracked open to extract the precious kernels within. This meticulous process is done using traditional methods, often involving stones to break the hard shells. The dedication and care that go into this process are a testament to the importance of the argan tree in their lives. The traditional extraction process is not only a labor of love, but also a key factor in the oil's high quality. The oil they produce is renowned for its numerous benefits and has been a cornerstone of their traditions. It is used in their cuisine, adding a unique flavor to their dishes, and is also valued for its medicinal properties. Beyond the kitchen, argan oil is cherished as a beauty elixir, used to nourish the skin and hair. This versatile oil has been passed down through generations, a precious gift from the argan tree that continues to enrich the lives of those who harvest it. The story of the argan tree and its oil is one of resilience, tradition, and the enduring bond between people and nature. It is a legacy that continues to thrive, much like the tree itself, in the heart of Morocco. Argan oil, in all its versatility, comes in two main varieties, cosmetic and culinary. Knowing the difference is key to maximizing its benefits. Let's break it down. Cosmetic argan oil. This is the superstar of skincare and hair care. Recognizable by its light golden hue and a delicate nutty aroma, cosmetic argan oil is minimally processed, preserving the integrity of its vitamins and antioxidants. Culinary argan oil. This variety is a culinary delight, adding a unique nutty flavor to dishes. It undergoes a slightly different process, where the argan kernels are roasted before extraction, resulting in a darker color and a richer, toastier flavor that's perfect for drizzling over salads, dipping bread, or enhancing savory dishes. What makes argan oil so special? The answer lies in its unique nutritional profile. This oil is jam-packed with beneficial components that work wonders for your health and beauty. Vitamin E, a potent antioxidant that protects your cells from damage, fights free radicals, and promotes healthy, youthful-looking skin. Essential fatty acids. Omega-6 and omega-9 fatty acids are vital for heart health, brain function, and maintaining the skin's natural barrier. Antioxidants. Argan oil is rich in antioxidants like polyphenols, which help protect your body from environmental damage and premature aging. This powerful combination of nutrients makes argan oil a true superfood, nourishing your body from the inside out and supporting your overall well-being. Section 5. Skin Savior. Argan oil's remarkable benefits for radiant skin. Argan oil has earned its reputation as a skincare superstar. Extracted from the kernels of the argan tree, native to Morocco, this liquid gold is packed with essential fatty acids, antioxidants, and vitamins that work wonders for the skin. Its lightweight texture absorbs quickly into the skin, delivering a surge of hydration and nutrients without clogging pores or leaving a greasy residue. This makes it suitable for all skin types, from dry to oily. Let's delve into its remarkable benefits for achieving that coveted radiant glow. Intense Hydration Argan Oil is a natural moisturizer that deeply nourishes the skin, restoring its natural moisture balance and leaving it feeling soft, supple, and dewy. Its high content of vitamin E and essential fatty acids helps to lock in moisture, making it an excellent choice for those with dry or flaky skin. Anti-aging Powerhouse Argan Oil's high antioxidant content helps combat free radical damage, reducing the appearance of fine lines, wrinkles, and age spots. Regular use of argan oil can improve skin elasticity and firmness, giving you a more youthful appearance. Acne Alley. Contrary to popular belief, argan oil can actually help balance sebum production, reducing excess oiliness and preventing breakouts. Its anti-inflammatory properties also soothe irritated skin and reduce redness. This makes it a great option for those with acne-prone or sensitive skin. Whether you have dry, oily, or sensitive skin, argan oil can be a game-changer in your skincare routine, promoting a healthy, radiant complexion. Additionally, it can be used as a base for makeup, providing a smooth canvas for foundation and other products. Its versatility extends beyond skincare. Argan oil can also be used to nourish hair and nails, making it a multi-purpose beauty elixir. Incorporating argan oil into your daily routine can lead to noticeable improvements in skin texture, tone, and overall health. Embrace the natural power of argan oil and unlock the secret to radiant, glowing skin. Consuming argan oil can offer numerous health benefits. It's rich in essential fatty acids, antioxidants, and vitamin E, which can help improve heart health, support digestive health, and even boost your immune system. Adding just a small amount to your diet can make a big difference. Identifying authentic argan oil is crucial to ensuring you receive all its benefits. Look for oil that's labeled as 100% pure, and always check the ingredients list. Authentic argan oil should have a light, nutty aroma and be packaged in a dark glass bottle to protect it from light. Argan oil is incredibly versatile. You can use it in your cooking, as a salad dressing, or even as a dip. Beyond the kitchen, it can be applied to your skin, hair, and nails for a natural beauty boost. Its moisturizing properties make it perfect for dry skin and brittle hair. Embrace the magic of argan oil and discover its many benefits for yourself. Whether you're looking to improve your health, enhance your beauty routine, or simply enjoy its rich flavor, argan oil is a wonderful addition to your daily life. Give it a try and see the difference it can make.